Next is 7th Roman, second sum. If root 3 sin theta minus cos theta equal to 0, then show that tan 3 theta is equal to 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta divided by 1 minus 3 tan square theta. Okay, let us take the given. Root 3 sin theta minus cos theta equal to 0. This is given. Okay, from this root 3 sin theta is equal to this minus cos theta goes to that side means it become plus. So 0 plus cos theta, cos theta. Okay. Next divide cos theta on both sides. So what it become? Root 3 sin theta divided by cos theta is equal to cos theta by cos theta. Okay. Next root 3 into sin theta by cos theta, what we know? Tan theta. So root 3 tan theta, LHS become root 3 tan theta. Next the RHS we have cos theta by cos theta. So we can cancel the term. So it become 1. So root 3 tan theta is equal to 1. Therefore tan theta is equal to, this root 3 comes to this side means it become division. So 1 by root 3. Okay, tan theta is 1 by root 3 means what about the value for theta? So from the trigonometric table we know theta is equal to 30 degree. That is tan 30 degree is equal to 1 by root 3. This is in trigonometric table. From that we can find the value for theta. Theta is 30 degree. Now we have to prove. So to prove tan 3 theta is equal to 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta divided by 1 minus 3 tan square theta. For that, let us take the LHS tan 3 theta. Okay, tan 3 theta, we know the value for theta is 30 degree. So, which implies tan 3 theta is equal to tan 3 into 30, which is equal to tan 3 into 30, 90 degree. So tan 90 degree is nothing but infinity. Okay, this is our LHS answer. Mark it as 1. Let us take the RHS. So RHS is tan 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta divided by 1 minus 3 tan square theta. In this apply the value theta for 30 degree. So it become 3 into tan 30 degree minus tan 30 the whole cube divided by 1 minus 3 into tan 30 the whole square. Okay, now we know the value for tan 30 degree. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. So let us apply. So 3 into 1 by root 3 minus 1 by root 3 the whole cube divided by 1 minus 3 into 1 by root 3 the whole square. Just we are replacing tan 30 as 1 by root 3. Okay, next 3 into 1 by root 3. So 3 by root 3. The 3 into 1 by root 3 we can write 3 as root 3 into root 3. So we can cancel 1 root 3 from the 3. So 3 into 1 by root 3 become root 3 minus 1 by root 3 the whole cube. 1 by root 3 the whole cube means 1 by root 3 want to multiply it by 3 times. So 1 by root 3 into 1 by root 3 into 1 by root 3. So if we multiply it means 1 by root 3 into 1 by root 3, 1 by 3. Another one 1 by root 3 multiplied means 1 by 3 root 3 divided by 1 minus 3 into 1 by root 3 the whole square. So 1 by root 3 into 1 by root 3. it become 1 by 3. So 3 into 1 by 3. Okay, which is equal to root 3. The numerator as such we can write root 3 minus 1 by 3 root 3 divided by, here the denominator 1 minus 3 into 1 by 3. So here 3 and 3 become cancel, means we will get 1 minus 1. So the denominator become 0. So the numerator root 3 minus 1 by 3 root 3 divided by 0. So anything by 0, what is the answer? Infinity. So mark it as 2. So from 1 and 2, what we can see? Both the answer is equal to infinity. So LHS equal to RHS, hence proved.